What's up, everybody? Welcome to day number 2 of the driveway repair broadcast. Adam's getting ready to tailgate the first load out. We had a couple of jobs to look at today, so it delayed us getting here. It's actually after lunch. I'm gonna start this tractor up. Oof, I need to clean the house. Oh yeah. Didn't check his chains, but you know, he tailgated that out without chains hooked, and it's perfect. We do have one lump down here that came out as a result, but that's actually going to work out too. So I got to take some material down. So that worked out good. I can't believe how good that is. But you know what's funny? That came out perfect.
I didn't hear the first part of that. Oh, that's terrible.
I was saying somebody forgot to hook their chains.
I didn't think that went as far as I thought that it would.
From here down to the pile, it's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. I don't know how you did that.
Felt like it dumped out awfully quickly at the beginning.
It did, didn't it?
I had a good memory, man, I tell you.
Well, I think you're going to have to pull up and let me knock that pile down before you can get out. I think.
It's possible.
Well, let's grade it out and see what we'll do.
Okie doke.
So I just told Adam, in these mountains, the roads, we're going uphill this way, and sometimes you raise your bed too high, it won't want to come down. So for you guys that are new and trucking in the mountains, if you switch the lever for your bed to come down, it don't want to come down, a lot of times you can just put it in reverse and dump the clutch a little and jerk it, and that'll be enough to get you some momentum going. I feel good with how this is going. Turned out pretty nice. I'm gonna leave that little high spot right there next to that light pole, so any water that's trickling down through here, if it's a heavy rain, it can get to there and just cut off. Should be fine. They've got a culvert, one around the corner, and I believe there's one right there where my bucket is that gets water out of that ditch. So I don't anticipate having a whole lot of water running down this ditch here. I'm excited. We've got a pressure washer that is supposed to be delivered today, a gas-powered pressure washer, and a jetter kit. So we're gonna start doing some jobs jetting out culvert pipes. Give customers a different option other than just ripping them out and starting over. So let's let Adam get the excavator greased up for the next use, and we're gonna go get another load of road bond. He'll remember to hook them chains next time, pretty sure. Got this part of the road graded. He's sitting on a finished section, so it's good. We'll get some footage of him taking off and tailgating this one out. Oh, they didn't raise the bed enough. That's all right. Need a little bit up there anyway. Look at that. He did a fine job. Fine job. Just didn't raise the bed fast enough right there. We'll put the next load stretching out from there, and we'll thicken that up, and that'll be all this road needs. All right, we just got the little parking area expansion filled in. Adam's backing up with what's left of the road bond. He's gonna stretch it out from about where that bucket is there to wherever it goes to. It'll be super easy for me to touch it up and spread it to where I want with the box blade and tractor. There's a tight fit down through here. Now that's how you do it. That's perfect. You should be proud of yourself.
Third time's a charm, I guess.
Just do it exactly like that every time, no matter how much moisture is in the road bond.
Minus stone truck at the end.
Yes. I didn't get that on camera though.
Good thing I told on myself.
All right, I'm just gonna run the tractor up and down. You can either just pull the truck up to the left out of the way, because I'm going to grade everything.
Okay.
One more time over. And then that way we don't have to worry about anybody coming home on the other one. Alright folks, we had to take off. It's getting dark and really close to bean time. Y'all be sure to give us a like, comment, and to subscribe, and join us on the next video where we finish up the driveway portion of this. We're just going to do a little bit of clean stone on their upper parking area, and hopefully we're going to get our pressure washer. It's a gas powered pressure washer, so we can do this stuff on site, and our little mini jetter, and we're going to try to blow road bond out of one of their culvert pipes. We love you guys, and we will see you on the next one.